At HomeEQ, we've built a pretty stellar home equity calculator. Not even going to sugarcoat it here. It is what it is. And I'm going to show you exactly how this thing works. Now, I have no screens in front of me, so that's not going to happen here. What do you say we head over to the computer so we can look at what this thing actually does? So to show you how easy this is, I've actually never done this before, so I'm going to go ahead and put myself on a timer, and we'll start that clock now. And here we are at home-eq.com/HELOC-calculator. Links are around here, so you can just go directly to it. But it's going to autofill some information for us to kind of give us some examples, and you can toggle between some kind of predetermined starter home, typical home, higher value home scenarios. But I know that my example home is worth $550,000. And let's say our current mortgage balance is $300,000. The zip code we're in right now, my browser already knows where I'm located, so that's going to autofill for me, which is cool. And it's already giving us some regional rate estimates for a HELOC and a home equity loan. That's super convenient. And then over here on the right, we have our home value breakdown, our mortgage balance versus our equity. And the safe borrowing zone shows us that most lenders allow us to borrow up to 80% of our home's value, so we can safely access $140,000 while maintaining a healthy equity cushion. So this is great. I mean, about a minute and I have the information that I need. And if I want to go further, I just scroll down to explore my options. And now it's going to give us all sorts of options if we do want to access that equity. We got some quick scenarios. Again, debt consolidation, home renovation, build up an emergency fund, purchase an investment property, different things like that. I'm just going to say, I know that I want $100,000 of my equity. That's what I want to liquidate and have access to. And our HELOC monthly payment range here is $477 to $1,192 a month. Lots of variables in there, which is totally fine. And that's when we go through the process of actually obtaining a HELOC and applying for it. So let's see what we need to do to get our final offer. And that just kicks us straight into the application portal. Quick and simple. It doesn't get much easier, and you get all that information with no email or contact information required. And that's it. It's that simple. All your data, all your info, no strings attached, no spammy phone calls, text message, or emails, just us trying to serve you the best that we can. Head over to home-eq.com/HELOC-calculator and play around with it for yourself. I think you're going to like what you see.